Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the iPhone 8. Before starting, make sure you have the right tools for the repair. You can find a list of tools in the description. First, turn off the phone and use a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two bottom screws. Next, you need a suction cup or something similar to take out the screen. Use the suction cup to lift the front assembly. Raise the screen to create a gap. And use a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Slowly work around the edges with the pry tool. Keep in mind not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal flex cables. Once the screen is loose, lift the screen. Keep the direction like opening a book. And remove the LCD bracket by undoing 4 screws. And the earpiece bracket by undoing 3 screws. Then, to free the screen assembly, first disconnect the battery plug. And then disconnect the touch, LCD and earpiece plugs from the board. Now you can free the screen from the body. When performing a screen replacement, you need to transfer the earpiece, home button flex and front assembly unit from the old screen to the new assembly. And also make sure these components were working properly before starting the exchange. First, undo 3 screws to take out the earpiece bracket and gently pull out the earpiece unit. Next, gently pry out the front camera flex cable. If necessary, apply some heat to loosen the adhesive holding the cable. Next, remove the home button and flex cable from the old screen. Start by unscrewing 4 screws and then removing the shield. Next, unplug the connector. And then, using a tweezer, gently lift and pull out the home button and flex cable through the opening. Next, pull out the LCD screen bracket by undoing 6 screws. Please note, some screens are coming with this part pre-installed. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 6 screws. Next, on the new screen, start installing all parts. First, place the home button flex through the opening and secure the connector. Next, place the home button bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the front camera assembly and earpiece unit on the screen. Be gentle with the cable and ensure the placement. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, connect the new screen to the body for testing. Secure the LCD and touch plugs, and then the battery plug. Turn on the device for testing. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against liquid. Next, secure the upper bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 4 screws. Finally, attach the screen to the device body. First, secure the top section. Then simultaneously click the sides and bottom into place. Ensure you apply gentle pressure along the frame sides for proper fit. Next, finalize installation by adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.